Today, our destination is the Bear River Migratory Bird Refuge. The Bear River Migratory Bird Refuge was created in 1928. Its purpose was to serve as an oasis and refuge, providing a critical habitat for over 250 species of migrating birds.
The Bear River Migratory Bird Refuge lies in northern Utah, where the Bear River flows into the northeast arm of the Great Salt Lake. It is on the ancestral homelands of the Shoshone, Paiute, Bannock, and Ute tribes people.
Migratory birds travel through this area annually by the millions to feed and breed. The refuge is an excellent place to observe wildlife and includes a world-class wildlife education center located just 1/4 mile from I-15, exit 363.
A 12-mile auditor provides a great view of a huge diversity of birds without ever leaving your vehicle. However, you can pull to the side of the road, park your car, get out, and take pictures of all the wildlife you see.
With nearly 80,000 acres of lands and waters, the refuge forms a unique ecological community.
The marshes and open water are managed using a complex system of dikes and water control structures to provide a variety of water depths suitable for the needs of different water bird species.
White-faced ibis nest in dense vegetation in large colonies of up to 10,000 birds.
Migrant tundra swans can number in the tens of thousands in the spring and in the fall. We hope you enjoyed this one-day trip as much as we did.
Wherever you are, no doubt you will find some interesting day trips in your neighborhood.
Check them out.
And let us know what you found.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up.
Subscribe to see more interesting destinations.
And don't forget to hit that notification bell.
Thank you for watching.
See you the next time.